Xanadus existed before 2500 BC. Harappa was abandoned around 1800 BC. The conclusion is that Xanadus first developed the urban sewage system. What is the underlying assumption? These are the dates when these civilizations came to an end. To conclude that the civilization that came to an end earlier also began first is a very important assumption in this argument. What if this civilization ended in 1800 BC but it started in 4000 BC, and this civilization ended in 2500 but it started in 3000 BC? This becomes older now, Therefore, option C is the correct answer choice. This says that Harappans were incapable of doing it themselves. That means it is trying to convey that they learned it from Xanadu, and this is all distant possibility, cannot be an assumption. Assumption is something which is necessarily true for the argument to hold. Whether this was an improved version of Xanadu is something which cannot be assumed. It's not something on which the argument depends. Again, this doesn't have to be necessarily true, and even if this is true, this is not something on which the argument depends. And this is just a factual information. It doesn't help us in the reasoning. C is the best answer choice.